From the streets of Gujarat to the grand stadiums of the cricketing world,
especially in a run chase.
he rose like a storm, feared by batsmen across the globe. With a ball in hand, speed in his run-up and fire in his eyes, he wasn't just a bowler, he was a nightmare. The king of swing, the destroyer of stumps. Every delivery a story, every spell a warning, and every wicket a statement. This is not just cricket, this is Mohammad Amir, the magician of pace, the master of swing, and one of the most dangerous bowlers of his era. Get ready, because when Amir steps on the field, history is written with every ball he bowls.
Especially in a run chase.